In this video, I'm going to show you that we have added the ability to not only create a template for text and email, but also to create a letter template to, if you'd like to print it out. So you'll still find it up in your user profile to create a template, and it's under Preferences, and the email text template is where you're still going to create the templates. And I'll just show you the one that I have created. This will be the information that pulls when I create that letter. So now I will go back to my client, and then from the policy, you can click on the text email, and in here you'll select your template, and then down here you not only have the ability to email or send a text, you have the ability to print now. So if I click on print, this is my letter, and then you're able to print that out. If you have any questions, let us know.